Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing review on my new turbo fan. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this out for you, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. It's going to be very useful if you want to I'll probably clean my keyboard here. I've also seen it used to inflate those air mattresses that don't have the pump with them. Let's go ahead and check it out. Very nice. Manual. Very cool. And different attachments for it. Power cable, and it does use Type C. And like a wrist strap. As well as a carrying case. And more cleaning supplies and brushes for it. So really, really cool. So let's go ahead and fire it up and let's go ahead and check it out. Let's go ahead and turn it on. As you can see, it tells you if it's fully charged, needs some charging right through here. And this is where you'll actually charge it through that Type C. What this power button will do to actually serve as two purposes. Obviously turn it on, and the other one is to the settings as to how much it's actually how strong it's gonna blow out. So here on the one, as you can see, this is gonna be the lowest feature. So you kind of hear that, right? Still blowing some out, but not too bad. All right, now we'll pick it up one to 2. Let's try that out. Just a little more. Okay, and then we'll do it on the max. Whoa. Very, very nice. That's pretty powerful. So let's go ahead and clean up my keyboard here and see how that actually works. So as you can see, this thing is pretty awesome. It's pretty powerful. Like I said, just depending on what you're using it for, like that one would probably also help you inflate like an air mattress or something like that. So I thought that was pretty cool. And to take off or add any of the attachments, you literally just take this part off and then add the one that you like, and then just put this back, and then you're literally good to go. So if you guys are looking for a cool electric air duster, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.